Big question on everyone's mind is, how do we burn Terra Luna Classic? How do we continue to remove the supply of Terra Luna Classic and ultimately therefore push the price and bring more adoption to the chain? Well, and break it down with a couple of interesting points, as well as the Cremation coin Ethereum launch that has happened today. How can this support the Luna Classic ecosystem? All of that in this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and let's dive straight into it. So everybody that's in the Terra Luna Classic community, whether that be on my live streams or people that I talk to, are absolutely convinced we are going to see a push up in the Terra Luna price very, very soon. And this article here from CoinGape does absolutely sit with that as well. It says Terra Luna Classic price shows a breakout pattern in lower time frames as the price successfully held above the 1200 key support level. While the LUNC price is currently trading at 2% up, currently at 12.6. We currently sit 12.651 to be precise at the time of recording this video. In the last 24 hours, a move above 13 is likely if the price breaks the local support of 12.8. So that's what we're looking at. We did see a cool off in the market. Luna Classic held its own, and we do now seem to feel like we are going to move. And I've talked about this in my previous couple of videos. I do think there is also a Luna Classic price movement to come. It says in the daily time frame, the LUNC price continues range bound movement and volatility is limited. Interestingly, the Bollinger Band squeeze is forming and traders should await a breakout above the key SMA 20 and SMA 50 in the coming days. You can see here how that Bollinger Band gets super tight as we come in, as well as this descending wedge that I have on my chart, and I'll show you that in a second. You can see the RSI trending absolutely pretty much bang on in the middle when it comes to this as well. It's moving near the 50, showing strength for a further upside move in the coming days. Clear bullish divergence pattern has formed with Luna Classic. So definitely some pretty exciting things. Now, what do you need in order to push price? You need positive sentiment. And we have that with the launch of the Ethereum token by Cremation Coin. Now, I'll leave all the links in the description so you can go and check it out, as well as if you want to go and pick up some, you can go and check that out as well. But they have launched their Ethereum chain. Now, this is not a V2. It's not a merge. This is about launching a second chain with the absolute desire to support the Luna Classic community and burn Luna Classic. Now, you might be thinking we've heard it all before, 2-bit. We always hear that someone's going to come and burn Luna Classic and they run away with the money. Well, let me tell you, the Cremation Coin absolutely have stuck to what they have committed to. So we got the top burners, and you'll notice here they are now the 6th highest burner of Terra Luna Classic in the globe. We can see there, they've passed all nodes. Everybody used to talk about all nodes burns. We used to see all nodes burns. And you can see here, they've burned just today 8.3 million in one transaction and 3.4 million in another. We're not even seeing some of the validators out there committing and burning what they're committed to. We also see LUNC DAO there burning 1.5 million. So if you are looking to support the Luna Classic ecosystem, and I also hear the people that say, well, I'll just trade on Terra Station. This is about people, and let's face it, Terra Station can be confusing at times. People not really sure what they want to do. Again, Luna Classic is incredibly volatile. Well, actually, you can play it with the Ethereum chain. You can purchase over there, and you can support the burn of Terra Luna Classic. We know that the tax structure does support a further movement down for Terra Luna Classic. It's an 8% in, 8% out, and ultimately 4% of that does go to burning Luna Classic. You can see here a lot of the documents that you can come to and check out exactly what they come on here. And we see the token contract again, so you can absolutely be completely convinced and verified that you are investing in a project that you are comfortable with. As ever, always do your own research first before purchasing any project. Now, we're taking a look, like we said, at the price. I drew this descending wedge here. We see we've had a great day in the green right here. Interestingly, up 1.1% on the week and actually up 25% on the year. Now, I do think we'll see a couple more days of solid sideways movement, depending on what the market does. And then I think when we come and test this high level, these are the 13s. The 13 is actually right here. This is about 3 days time. Do we see this push through? MACD is continuing to trend back to this middle line. We could see this breakout from Terra Luna Classic, and I absolutely 100% think that that is going to happen, and I think it'd be very bullish for Terra Luna Classic. Now, obviously, we have got the funding for the L1 team. We also know that the Terra Rebels are starting to continue to build back out. So it's actually becoming very, very good for Terra Luna Classic. We've got a number of different people building on the chain, obviously putting those Agora posts up. We also have the Ziggy repeg, as well as a number of other great proposals coming through right now. So everything underneath the surface of Terra Luna Classic feels like we're moving in the right direction, topping all of that off with a Binance burn coming in 12 days time. So all very exciting. Now, what we do need, however, is people to be aware. We have lost the initial hype when Luna Classic ran up to the 6s. Do I still believe that we can get there? Absolutely. It's going to take some more time. How can we do our bit? well, supporting great tokens like Cremation coin, as well as fantastic validators that continue to burn the supply. Binance is another one that continue to support Terra Luna Classic and share videos like this. Like and comment on these videos. It does get them up in the algorithm, lets people know exactly what's going on. And if you're really interested in Luna Classic and want to hear more, then subscribe to the channel. We bring you the latest daily content around Luna Classic as well as the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Like I said, thank you to all of you guys for watching these videos, to supporting the channel. And if you want to go and check out some of the links in the description where you can go and pick up some Luna Classic on exchanges like MEXC, they're offering the cheapest trading fees out there right now for anyone trading on their platform. Link in the description. Supports the channel. It's totally free to sign up and definitely might be worthwhile grabbing some Luna Classic while you're there. As ever, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.